Hi everyone, I hope all of you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to go ahead and talk about this book, Master Answer Writing, which is a book published recently by On McGraw Hill on solving all the challenges related to answer writing for the aspirants for UPSC exam and the state exams as well. Now answer writing is very important because without good writing skills you will not be able to clear UPSC. For GS 1, 2, 3, 4, for your essay you require to understand completely in detail the techniques required to write a good answer. Now answer writing is not easy. Remember, 20 questions in 3 hours in 180 minutes. So lot of things are very important. Your answer should be structured, it should have relevant content, it should have relevant data, it should have relevant information, and it should also be written in the time limit that is given to you. You get only around 6 to 7 minutes for every 10 mark questions and only around 11 minutes for every 250 words questions, which are 15 marks questions. So in this particular book, all these various aspects of answer writing I have tried to explore. See, when I was personally appearing for the UPSC exam, in my first attempt I got not that great marks in the GS 1, 2, 3, 4 papers in the mains. Even in my essay I got very average marks. In my second attempt also same thing happened. So I saw that I was not improving. So I sat down and developed my answer writing skills a lot, because I knew without good answer writing skills I will not be able to get that good marks in GS and essay writing which are required to clear the exam. And my third attempt, after that actual deliberate effort, I was able to get one of the highest marks, like 450 plus marks in GS only, and almost 160 marks in essay only. So this answer writing improvement, this essay writing improvement was due to deliberate efforts and due to properly understanding the various aspects of answer writing. And that is what I try to do in this particular book, where you will see in the various units I have discovered, or I have tried to kind of discover the various aspects of answer writing, starting from how to start. That is very important. Almost 50 pages I have devoted to that. How to cultivate this nature of answer writing, how to identify the mindset that you need to have in order to write answers, have that ability to keep writing and keep understanding, having that feedback loops in order to get your writing correct. Then even challenges like English, lot of students are weak in English, and that's okay because we are studying in vernacular language, in our own languages, and that also I have tried to address in this particular book. Then debunking a lot of myths of answer writing. A lot of times you will hear from people that you should start answer writing right from the first day. That is a one big myth. You should never do that. Similarly, there are other myths such as you should write in paragraphs or you should write in bullets. All your answers should be having diagrams and mind maps. All these kind of myths are also being addressed in this particular chapter, so that you know which path you have to walk. See, my job is to give you a direction, and this book's job is to give you a direction. The path, the journey you have to cover yourself. That is the importance of this whole learning process, that we have to do it ourselves. So this book will be a good guide for you while going into the path, because it will show you the direction that you need to go into. Then the second unit is on the question. What are the type of questions asked by UPSC? How you can deconstruct these questions. See, it is very important that you develop a framework in your mind when you are approaching any question in UPSC. So those frameworks are discussed. Then I also discussed answer. What kind of introduction, conclusion, body you should write when you are doing answers. What kind of time management you need to have, what kind of preparation and presentation will go into your answers, what kind of diagrams you can draw, what kind of mind maps you can draw, what kind of tables you can draw for comparisons. All these things, if you understand about answer writing, it will become much easier for you to perform in actual answer writing. And the fourth unit is on the evaluation. See, when I was preparing for UPSC, I figured that coaching institutes where you are giving your answer writing test series, they will only give you very generic and limited feedback. You should understand whether you are managing your time properly or not, whether what you are writing actually will fetch you marks, and this book will help you do that by actually having some kind of an evaluation metrics. And trust me, even if you use this evaluation metrics on 20-30 questions, you will know exactly what kind of answers you are expected to write, and that way you know when you are writing the right kind of answers and when you are diverging from the path a little bit. And all your answers cannot be great, all your answers cannot be wonderful and perfect. All, if you are spending too much time in improving your handwriting too much, all these kind of things are addressed in this book, because a lot of times we are going on a particular route which might not be correct for us. And finally, in unit 5 I have solved the 2023, 22, 21 papers. I have also solved additional questions that you can get access to. Okay, and finally, a cool feature is that you can scan this particular code and you can actually reach the website, Edge website, where you can find the lessons for each and every chapter. So for all the chapters and for some of the chapters combined, there are lessons where you can in live you can see some examples that are discussed about the content that is discussed in that particular chapter. So that way you can learn better. So hopefully you will like this book. Let me know if you have any feedback or comments. More than happy to get feedback from you. Thanks. Take care. Bye.